Hello, in this video I'll show you how to create a backup repository in Amazon S3 using NAKIVO backup and replication. We'll go through the full process, including setting up an S3 bucket with object lock and creating access keys for authentication. Let's get started. First, we need to create an S3 bucket in AWS with object lock enabled. Log in to the AWS Management Console and go to S3. On the Amazon S3 page, click Create Bucket. Enter a unique bucket name and choose the appropriate AWS region. Make sure that bucket versioning is enabled. Then scroll down and expand Advanced Settings. Find Object Lock Settings and click Enable under Object Lock. Read the message and select the checkbox to confirm. Click Create Bucket to finish the setup. Next, I need to find the AWS access key and secret access key. Go to IAM, Identity and Access Management Console, in the AWS web interface. Click your account name, then click Security Credentials. Go to Users and select your user account. Here, you can see your existing access key or create a new one. After you've copied the access key ID and the secret key, you can add the AWS account to the NAKIVO configuration. Log into NAKIVO Backup and Replication. Go to Settings, Inventory, and click the plus icon to add a new platform. Select Cloud Storage, then click Next. Select Amazon and click Next. At the Options step, enter a display name, for example, AWS S3. Paste the access key ID and secret access key from AWS. Click Finish to save settings and close the wizard. After you've added the AWS account to NAKIVO Backup and Replication, you can create a backup repository in Amazon S3. Go to Settings, Repositories, and click the plus icon to create a new backup repository. Select Cloud Storage as a repository type. Click Next. Select Amazon S3 at the vendor screen and go to the next step. At the Name and Location step, enter a display name for a backup repository, for example, AWS S3. Select the assigned transporter. In this example, I use the onboard transporter. Select the AWS account that you added earlier. Select the region where you created the bucket. Here, I use US East, Virginia. Select your bucket name. In my example, the bucket name is SE Video Bucket. Click Next. At the Options step, data size reduction is enabled, and the compression level is set to fast. Click Finish to save settings and create the repository. The backup repository in Amazon S3 is now being added. And this concludes our video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe to our channel to catch new uploads. You can also visit the NAKIVO website to download a free trial version of NAKIVO Backup and Replication and try the solution in your own environment for 15 days.